Drone development. In this category, we work on new drone models and features to contribute to the advancement of drone technologies. We enhance our drones with innovations in both design and software, and represents the development process step by step through video recordings. Finally, we showcase the results through real flight demonstrations. Autonomous robotics. This category covers automation and robotic projects, building various technological components. It includes development of smart systems, control devices, and automation projects, with a mechatronic approach that combines programming, electronic and mechanic, the design, construction, application of precise mechanics, motion mechanism, and complex units are explained. Artificial intelligence. This section explains the types, capabilities, and latest developments in the artificial intelligence technologies. Innovations in the field of AI are explored and demonstrated through practical applications. Both existing knowledge and latest advancements are presented to clearly highlight the use of artificial intelligence in technology field. TIMAZ Testing. This category covers the testing of technological products in real-world conditions. Tests are conducted both external requests and TIMAZ's own area of interest, and are carried out on both finished products and various technological components. Results are evaluated objectively, and the product's compliance with the manufacturer standards are verified. If these standards are fully confirmed, a certification of compliance is issued for the product. TIMAZ News. This section presents global technological updates, new inventions, and innovative products. By attending exhibitions and technology events, the latest advancements are observed and reported on site. All relevant and useful technology news is delivered in a clear and accessible manner. TIMAZ Invited Showcase. In this category, TIMAZ visit factories and production facilities, both through invitations and its own initiative. The entire production process is observed on site, and the strengths, achievements, and the technological capabilities of the manufacturers are highlighted. The goal is to present the production processes in a clear and transparent way. TIMAZ Courses. This section offers practical, step-by-step training programs in technology. Courses are conducted in a well-equipped, real laboratory environment that varies theoretical knowledge is directly applied through hands-on practice. The training program is structured in stages, and the progress depends on practical performance and evaluation results. This approach enables participants to transform knowledges into real skills and develop professionally in the field of technology.